Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? I'm going to be removing and reinstalling a blower motor resistor for this 2009 Honda CR-V. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. Underneath the glove box on the passenger side, there's a little cover here. What you're going to do is you're going to grab the front part of that cover and pull it down. There's some clips that hold it in. And then you're going to pull it forward. There's some pins in the back that hold that in. The blower motor resistor is right here. And we're going to try to take that out. We're going to use a 7mm socket and ratchet. It's a little bit tricky to get to. Alright, so I'm on the bolt now. Try to take this bolt out. It's actually a screw, but it has a 7mm hex head on it also. There's two of them. So remove that bolt. It's not going to be easy. Then you can remove the other one. I got this other screw out. This tool actually kind of helps me a little bit. This is kind of a bit driver that is a right angle bit driver. So you can use a little screw driver attachment to this, or just do it like that and put different bits in it. Actually works pretty well when doing dash work. So grab the resistor, pull it out. Pull it down a little bit. Now I'm going to find the lock on the connector. Push down on the lock and disconnect it. And there's the resistor module. We're going to reinstall this resistor module. We can insert it first and then connect the connector, or connect the connector first. We'll just connect the connector first because that's how we took it out. Line that up and slide it in until it locks in. Line this up with the hole in the HVAC box. And there we go. That's lined up. Now I can start the bolts. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to reinstall the bolt on this side and also the bolt over here on that side. So I got those bolts in, and I'm going to snug them up with a ratchet. Remember, it's in plastic, so not too tight, just snug. That's pretty good. Now we install this cover. Take these two pins, line up with these two holes in the back. Line those up. And then the cover's in place. Just push it straight up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.